To use the quick crop feature in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the photo you like to crop. Zoom in on the desired area of the photo by pinching out your fingers on the photo until only the desired area is visible. Now tap the quick crop icon at the bottom left corner of the photo to crop the image. Tap the image thumbnail to see the crop image. As a note, your phone will save the cropped version of the image as a new photo so that you can still have its original version. Given to the function, you can use this feature when you want to remove unnecessary element from your photo, highlight the best part of the photo, crop to focus on specific part of a photo, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.